What's up, everybody? Welcome to the brand new episode of SHOEGR Wars. It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy. And I got my frenemy right over here, Anchal.
Hey guys! Apparently I'm a frenemy. A minute ago I was a homie. Definitely a heavy word.
Yes.
So welcome to a very first episode of SHOEGR Wars. It's going to be clean, it's going to be messy, it's going to be dirty, but it's going to be amazing and super fun. So what is SHOEGR Wars all about?
You gotta tell them.
Well, it's simple. सिर्फ तुम्हें गन फैलाना है और उसे साफ करना है. I know the साफ वाला part doesn't sound intriguing. So क्या होगा इसमें? We'll get a mystery box and a cue card and a very brand new fresh pair. Well, for the first episode, you gotta surprise me. Oh!
Everybody's favorite white Air Force One.
We have to dirty these.
Yes. I know you.
I don't think so. I can't. These are like the OG pairs.
Yes.
These are my all-time favorite. अगर मेरा बस चले मेरा हर purchase यही हो same. I'm a huge sucker for white.
Yeah, and this was my first sneaker as well.
Can't I just like take them home?
No, you cannot. I will be taking them home.
So here's a cue card, and this is our very first challenge.
Yes.
So it's written, when you have an argument, you make up. When you can't tell the truth, you make up. When you're going out, you make up. That definitely is very essential. And today you'll make up your opponent's shoe to slay using a makeup kit. No limits. 1 minute to dirty and 5 minutes to clean the makeup.
What?
Oh, and I think it's a makeup challenge, guys.
Oh my God.
I'm going to kill him. I will destroy my nemesis. What did you just say?
She's
earlier?
my frenemy.
Frenemy. Guys, just please comment in the section below. Is frenemy still a word?
Yeah.
So, where is the box?
Give us the box. Whoa.
My
That's
God,
crazy.
that's some power-packed box. So please do the honors. My
God.
nemesis.
Alright.
Be my, I would have said guest, but apparently I'm your
Frenemy.
frenemy.
My
Let's
God.
see. We have a powder. And then, do you know what this is?
I don't care what it is.
Let's open it and see what this is. So we have few lipsticks. Yeah, I love the color red undoubtedly. Then we have, compact. Mojo, जब आपके पसीने छूटेंगे ना, when I'll trash you in this competition, you have to apply this.
You guys know who's the best.
I am. And then we've got some colorful eyeshadows and foundation, of course. And
You guys use so many things.
This is just very basic. I think everybody, probably a 5-year-old also has it.
Well, this is for the mustache.
And this is your magic wand. You need a little bit of
I would
this
rather
every
use
time
it
you
for the
go out.
mustache.
Just pops your eyes. Right.
Okay.
So I'm going to dirty the right one, and then he's going to dirty the left one. And then after dirtying, we will exchange each other's shoes, and we'll start cleaning it under 5 minutes. Oh shit! Oh, it's a pump. It's not coming out, guys. Oh, it is. I'm gonna make cute little hearts because I'm full of love and I have so much love to give and
the
share,
best
guys.
Who doesn't
Although
wanna do this?
अभी तो ये टमाटर से लग रहे हैं, not hearts. ये मुझे ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं कि I think मेरा शूज काफी सुंदर लग रहा है, guys.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Tikka.
1.
So guys, now we have to move on to the next part of the video. That is the cleaning part, which is definitely going to be tougher because this was super fun. But I'm more nervous because I have to clean this shoe and look what Mojo has done. My nemesis,
Frenemy.
apparently frenemy. So without further ado, let's get into the next part of the video.
Woo! Let's go! I guess we are ready now. So
Horrible.
we're gonna be using our ultimate kit and show you how we clean this in 5 minutes, right?
Oh my god, yeah, the laces are so tight.
Oh shit. Everything is going everywhere.
Fatafat. Somebody's into cleaning, yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is super messy. I will not give up, guys. Guys, my shoe is turning pink. Now even the soles are turning pink because of the lipstick. ये लो अपना brush. मुझे समझिए.
7, 6, 5.
But this is my best try, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Champion! I guess you just lost the first episode.
I did not lose. It's probably you cheated.
No, I cannot.
सिर्फ एक ही इतने सारे products थे and the only product he chose was bloody red
It was not
lipstick.
written
And
anywhere.
please, guys, because I'm fighting for a very fair play.
It's a competition, you know.
Fine. So we have a clear winner. And I'm not very happy about it.
Thank you so much, guys. This was the first episode of SHOEGR Wars, and this is how we finish a war with my frenemy. So stay tuned. We're going to be back with another episode. Till then, peace out. Thank you for watching the first episode of SHOEGR Wars. Hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, the shoes are not properly clean as we had only 5 minutes. But don't worry, SHOEGR got your back. We're going to be doing deep cleaning of these shoes on SHOEGR Care Academy. So watch out. Till then, like, subscribe, and follow us everywhere.